and welcome back to Programming with Irene. In this episode, let me show you a cool birthday card I built using Scratch. We will be covering all the steps to make this awesome card. So let's jump right in. Let's open a new project in the Scratch editor. We can see the default white backdrop and our cat sprite is already loaded. We can remove the cat sprite by clicking on this delete button down here. Clicking again to confirm the deletion, I'm clicking this backdrop button and adding this party backdrop to our game. Looks good, right? Now, it is time to add our happy birthday greeting text. For this one, we can create our own sprite by using this costume button, the one with a brush icon, and we will be taken to our costume editor. I'm going to add the text element and then change its color, style, etc. I will be speeding up this section, but I feel free to play around and make the text in a cool style that you love. Now that it is done, let us add a cake sprite. I mean, cakes are a must in every birthday party, right? I'm just looking around and this fluffy cake. This looks delicious, by the way. Next up, we need to hide our backdrops and sprites by default. And once we get a name, we will be making this visible again. For that, just add the green flag event and attach this hide block from the looks section. We will be showing our empty backdrop first. For that, we can use this switch backdrop to block and select our empty backdrop. After all, we want this to be a surprise, right? Now, we need to get the name of our birthday kid. For this, we can use the ask and wait block, dragging and dropping it into the code of the India backdrop. Make sure you have selected the correct backdrop. This is where it gets interesting even more. Now that we have asked for the name, how do we show it back? Well, the name will be saved in this answer block under the sensing section. But here is another problem. We are asking for the name from the code of the backdrop. So how will our other sprites know that the name has been entered? This is where a really cool block comes in for helping us out. Under the Events section, look for the Broadcast Message and Wait block. This can be used to send a message that can be received by all other sprites. This is really cool, right? We can drag and drop this block and click on the drop down for the messages. I'm going to name my message Go. Now, let us connect this to the Ask and Wait block. Now, once the name is entered, all other sprites will be aware of it. Let us use this. First, I'm selecting our cake sprite. We can make the cake say the name of our birthday kid. Under the Event section, we can find the When I Receive block. Drag and drop this block and choose our message from the drop down. I'm going to select Go Message. Then I'm dragging and dropping the Say for 2 seconds block. I'm attaching it to When I Receive block. Now let's edit the message. Instead of this hello message, let us say the name. For that, first we need the answer block from the sensing section. Now drop it into our say block. Now to add an exclamation mark along with our name, we can use the join block from the operator section. I will be joining the answer with 2 exclamation marks. It will be cool to make the candles glow, right? We can use the switch costume block. But if we change it once, it's going to stay the same. We need some way to change it our first costume. Then wait for some time. Change it back and wait for some time. We need to keep doing this. For this, we need something called a loop. We can use the forever block to help us with this. I'm dropping it from the control section. Now, we can add a wait block to wait for 1 second. We can also rearrange the say block to start saying the name after we change the costume. Then drop in the switch costume block to change our cake to the glowing costume. Now wait for 1 more second by adding another wait block. Now switching the costume back to cake A, the default costume. We can connect this to our when I receive block. Let us repeat the process of our happy birthday text sprite as well. I'm going to speed through this, but the process is the same. The only difference is we don't have a say block attached for the sprite. Now, to make it even better, we can add a birthday song. We can start playing the song right after we receive the name. For this, I'm adding the sound to the backdrop code. Drop the start sound block. It is only listing this pop sound now. So let us add a birthday sound from the sounds tab. Now that it is added, we can choose this song in our start sound block. This is a must in every birthday card, right? Let's give it a go. I'm entering my name and I can hear the birthday song, but nothing else is happening. The party backdrop and our sprites are not showing. Let us take a look at our code to see what we missed. When we get the answer, we are not changing our backdrop to the party backdrop. We can fix this by adding the switch backdrop to block right after our ask and wait block. Now, for the sprites, we are hiding them when we click the green flag, but we never show it back. Let us make this right by adding the show block from the looks section right after we receive the go message. We can do this for our cake sprite as well. Let us test it again. Bingo! Now the backdrops and sprites are showing and the sound is also playing. But I feel like the candles are a bit too lazy to glow. It's not matching with the blinking of our happy birthday message. Let's open up the code for the cake sprite. As we can see, we are using the say for 2 seconds block to make the cake say our name. This means that after 2 seconds only, the cake will start switching the costumes. We can use the say block instead of say for 2 seconds block to fix this glitch. we can delete the old say block. I'm putting the blocks back together. Giving it a try one more time. Entering my name. Hooray! That looks much better. Share it with your friends and family. And check out my channel also. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next episode with some cool stuff. Until then, bye-bye and take care.